Hey everyone, it's Hailee here from Audi Nyack, and today we've got something special for you. This is the Audi RS Q8. From the moment you turn the key, you'll feel a power of over 591 horsepower and hear the thrilling sound of the sport exhaust. We're going to dive into every incredible feature, from the sleek Daytona gray pearl paint to the massive 23-inch wheels. You ready? Let's take a closer look. First off, the RS Q8 comes packed with a powerful 4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine. With Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and the active torque distribution, this beast offers incredible handling and performance in any driving condition. Inside, you'll find Audi's cutting-edge tech, like Audi's MMI, Navigation Plus, and Audi Connect. A premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system with 30 surrounding speakers, a carbon fiber inlay that elevates the cabin's sophistication and sportiness. Let's talk about comfort. The RS Q8 comes with adaptive cruise control, a heated steering wheel, and heated front and rear seats, making every ride luxurious and comfortable. Come visit Audi Nyack and see the RS Q8 for yourself. This is a driving experience you don't want to miss.